Hello guys, it is I, Zayapguy, and welcome to 5 more types of game developers. Number 1 is the aspiring game dev. This was suggested by Maku Win on my last video. Sorry for butchering your name. Hey man, what do you do in your free time? Oh man, I'm an aspiring game dev man. I will make the next big thing, man. Oh, that's very cool. Can I see some progress? I haven't started yet. Number 2 is the secretive developer. This is what it usually goes like. My game will be the next big thing. It will blow everyone away. Oh really? What's it about? No! I won't tell you! You will steal my idea! Thief! Thief! Don't plagiarize my idea! The fuck? Number 3. The overpromise underdeliver. Hey guys, my game will have 500 person multiplayer, 500 hour story, 12 million missions. Alright, so no one really wanted a campaign, right? Also multiplayer, it's a maximum of 2 players. I mean, no one has that many friends, right? No guys, please buy my game, it's still good. No. Number 4 is the engine developer. Hey man, how's your game going? Yeah man, still working on the engine. Oh, that's great, how's that going? I mean, so far I've made a triangle render. Number 5 is the graphics maniac. We all know this person. Hey man, why don't you try Unity for once? I mean, you're making a very simple game. No! I won't use Unity! I need the best graphics! I need quadruple A graphics! I need all the graphics! Dude, you're making a Flappy Bird clone. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this list kind of video style, please leave a like. I will try to upload every day, and I will try to make original content. So, see you till next time. Bye.